If you're looking for a great home in a highly sought after street here at Etobicoke, I got you. Welcome to 16 Kingsborough Crescent. This is a 5-level backsplit. It's got 4 bedrooms above grade, 1 below, and 5 bathrooms. It even has a pool. We're in Richmond Gardens, close to all amenities, downtown, and everything. Wait till you come check out this home. You're gonna love it.
Yeah, you better know where you're going.
Favorite features of this home has to be this eat-in kitchen. You got updated appliances, you have this gorgeous countertop, as well as a breakfast nook. You even have gorgeous views of your backyard when the pool's open. It is gorgeous, trust me.
I've been painting every fence I know, every color pleasing to the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going.
Great thing about this home is the amount of bedrooms. You have 3 bedrooms above me here with 2 baths. You have another bedroom behind me here with yet another bathroom, and there's even additional one below grade. Check out the rest of the home and I'll meet you outside. To finish off the tour, we're gonna feature this gorgeous backyard with a pool and this covered area. For more details or a private viewing, please DM me.